almost at the end. So the goal here is to define and use your own function to turn right. In the previous puzzle, you turned right only once, so using 3 left turn wasn't a problem. So remember, in the previous one, we didn't have this command to turn right, so we used turn left 3 times. But what if you need to turn right more than once? It would be more efficient to put all those left turns into turn right, command that you run multiple times. Commands like turn right are actually functions that perform a body of work. We've already been using function. Every command we've used to this point has actually been a function that we've provided for you. To define a function, enter a set of commands between the curly braces to give it its behavior. 1. Tap inside the function body between the curly braces. Enter 3 turn left commands. Beneath the function, use existing commands along with turn right to toggle open the close switch. All right. So here, the first function that they asked us to do is to turn right. And we're going to make him turn right by using the command turn left 3 times. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to make him turn left once, twice, and 3 times. Now here, at this point, it's going to make him move forward once. Then we're going to make him turn left. And then move forward. So let's run this code and see how it does. There you go. So now we are going to try to do a toggle switch. Actually, no, we don't. I don't remember if that toggle switch needs to be off or on. I think it needs to be on. And it's already on. So we're going to make him turn left, then move forward. And let's run this code. Free dog, you back. Ah, I think I made a mistake. I had to make him turn left probably 3 times. So for him to turn right. I always forget. So we're just gonna basically add 1, 2. Making mistakes is fine as long as you understand what you're doing. There you go. I took a left instead of. So let's see. There you go. All right. So now we have our second switch on. Now what we're gonna try to do here is so really I need 3 switch on. So the idea here is to make him go back no, he's not moving forward at this point. We are going to make him turn left, turn left, Then turn left. Let's run this code. Because last time I tried to do a turn right, he wouldn't do it. He did it just once. I don't know if you remember, that was like 2 nights ago. Do you remember? And I don't even know. Oh, so sorry. I need to go back to the. I don't know what he did. Okay. So I'm just gonna basically delete this too, and we're gonna make him turn right. You're right. Okay. Because I have it. Okay, I see. All right, so let's do that. You can do that with the other set of 3, 2 and make that shorter. So see, he did the same thing. He did the same thing. So me making him turn left 3 times is the same result as if I make him turn right once. After my second move forward. So what do you want me to do? Okay. So I have moved forward over here. Are you talking about the function above it? You're talking about here. You want me to make him turn right. Okay. So let me run this code. Okay, so you're right, he did the same thing. Now I want him to basically go back. So I have to make him turn right. Or turn left 3 times. Right? He has to turn once, twice. So turn left and turn left. So let's run this code. There you go. Then I make him move forward. Then turn left. Then move forward twice. So let's run this code. I don't want to make him go through the teleport because I need the other switch on. The other one is not activated, so I really don't need it at this point. See? Now I have to make him turn right. turn right, and one move forward. And I know right now I'm just basically trying to get used to these, command turn three left, which means, yes, I understand you can basically make him turn right once, but I'm probably taking the longest way. Yes, that's for sure. Um, it's just that how my brain is processing right now. Um, so I probably have to do a toggle switch here to get the third one. Third switch. See what it does. No, like yesterday. Oh, you're right. Oh no. Oh shoot. So, oh no. Okay. So you know what? I have to basically erase this function, this function, this, yeah, command, and this command. Let's rerun this code. Because you're right, I think he needs to go through that teleport thing. You're right. Oh. Okay. So he's here. Let's run this code. All right. So now this bite is funny. Okay, so now I'm going to make him turn left then. So he's going to turn left and then he's going to move forward. And he's going to go through that teleport thing. See, I feel like I made the same mistake that I made. I think that was yesterday night or before yesterday. I don't remember. There you go. Now he has to turn right. He has to move forward. Then we're going to run this code. And he needs to I know. All right. So now we're going to make him turn left. Turn left and one move forward. And he needs to activate that switch. So we're going to have him to toggle switch here. There you go. He's happy. He's dancing. All right. So now we're going to go to the next page again. Then I reset that page. Okay. I think that's the last chapter. So I'm just praying that nothing is freezing. We're just going to be able to go through it. Okay. So, okay, the page got reset. So as you can see here, they already provided me with functions here. So as you can see, I have them like the function collect, gem, turn around. I'm so sorry. I keep on saying germ because in French, I'm from France, and in French we say germ. We don't say jam. So I apologize. Really, I'm so sorry. That's my accent. I'm really, really sorry. Um, now you're already making fun of me. Yeah, I know sometimes, like I do pronunciate some words in French, and you know, um, and it's not how the way it is. I'm so sorry. Everybody always make fun of me, but that's okay. Like I said, you can make fun of my accent, please do. If you have a good laugh, that's great. As long as you're having a good time, it's great. It's okay. I don't get offended. Trust me. All right. So here, what do we have? So it says here that, as you just learned, it can be very useful to define a function that accomplishes a small task, then call that function within another function to accomplish an even bigger task. This practice makes your code more readable because you can name a function based on its purpose. For example, turnaround. It also simplifies the process of writing code because after you've written a function to perform a bigger task, you no longer have to think about the individual command. 1. Run the code to see what happens when solve row is called. 2. Tweak the code inside solve row so that it solves a bigger chunk of the puzzle. 3. Call solve row along with other commands to solve the puzzle. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one is giving me a headache. So, we're probably gonna spend a lot of time resolving this one. Trust me. I tried, and I think I have like a memory of a fish. For some reason, when I did it the first time, I got it right away, and then I just forgot. And I just don't know why. I completely forgot how to resolve it. So, um, Redog, I'm gonna need your help. Sure. So what we're gonna do here, you're right, I think we should do that. We are going to run this code and we are going to use this step through. Okay, so he's moving forward, he's collecting his gem. Turn left, move forward, and he's stopped here. Okay, now I remember. So I'm gonna have him do the same function. So the only thing that I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna basically like use that function solve row box, and I'm just gonna add another. Right, exactly. Redog, you're right. So I'm just gonna basically add a collect term turnaround here for him to repeat every step that he has done already. So I'm gonna like run this code and see what happens. Or maybe I'm gonna have to do another turn left, right. There you go. There you go. So now here, okay. So this is where I get confused. So I don't know if I have to go to this box, and No, 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 no. I don't need that. So I'm not messing up the function. That's what you're saying. I shouldn't be touching this. Okay, so are you saying that I should basically go to the third row, a third box, and oh, I see. Okay, so that's why I'm always okay. So here, what I'm gonna have him do is, oh, hold on. What's going on here? So now you want to move over the right one and then you can shuffle again, I think. Okay, okay. See, I don't think I am getting this part really. I'm not gonna lie to you. To me, he has to turn right, move forward, and then do a solid row, right? Oh, see, it doesn't make any sense here. Right, exactly. So here, I don't need him to do that. I just need him to. Okay, so what happened? Okay, let me just go I'm just gonna rerun the code again, and because right now he's not where I want him to be. Okay, for me, oh yeah, there's one more. He's repeating the process. Okay, so that's where I want him to be. So now I'm gonna make him actually turn right. He's gonna have to turn right and then move forward. Um, and let's try this. All right. Now I want him to, the only function that I'm gonna add here is to, is gonna be solve row because he's gonna be doing the same thing over again here. Okay, so okay, which he didn't. You're right. So be oh shoot. No, I don't want him to do that. So I need to delete this. What I want him to do here is to turn left, and I'm just gonna go through this code first. I think I should be calling a solve row after that. To me, this is very confusing. So he got this one. Now he's basically looking at the germ, right, Free Dog? So what I have to do now, I have to call a solve row to make him repeat the same steps over and over. Okay, so we're good so far. Great. All right. It's funny when he does that. Yeah, I know. He burps funny. All right, so again, I'm going to make him turn right. Then I'm going to make him move forward. And then I'm going to make him look at the germ, which is going to turn left. And then I'm going to call a solve row. And I'm going to go through the... I am starting to have allergies. So I'm just going to run it faster because... the gem. Sorry, the gem. Not the germs. He's collecting germs. Oh, there you go. He's happy. Okay. So what do we have next? Okay. So that itself, it's another video. Um, so we are done with the first chapter. So that's it. I'm glad that I didn't have that much, technical issues for the past 3 days. It was just a nightmare to get everything set up and have everything together. So, but thank you very much. Thank you, Redog. You're a lovely, lovely person. Thank you for being with me and helping me out. I really, really appreciate it. Um, I'm new, so just bear with me. I have an accent. You seem to have a lot of fun with my germ instead of gems. Um, and yeah, so I'm gonna basically get the other chapter going tomorrow. So please come on in and join me. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.